Hi all, welcome to my channel Cricket Jwara. Okay, today's video is about the India versus New Zealand clash over the years. So in all the three formats. Before starting the video, I would like to say a fact, that is Virat Kohli is the first player to play all the ICC tournaments final. See, the World Cup 2011 World Cup final, then the 2013 Champions Trophy final, and then 2014 T20 World Cup final, and then this one, the WTC final, the World Test Championship, the maiden World Test Championship final, which is held in England, Southampton. So yeah, now the video is about the India versus New Zealand clash over the years in all the three formats, that is ODI, T20 and Test. So as it is the WTC final test match, so first we'll discuss the test in the past 10 years. Okay, so how is the progress between these two teams, India versus New Zealand, past 10 years with the test matches. So let me see the stats over here. So from 2011 to 2020, so they have played totally 12 test matches, in which India have won three series and two have won by New Zealand. Okay, in the we have to compare this with the present situation. So New Zealand have won the latest Test match, which was held in the year 2019-20. So with the margin of 2-0. So at the present, New Zealand has a very good team for them, and with India, it is very tough chances for us to win the WTC final, as they have very good team. So let me even discuss their team also, as we discussed the our playing our probable 11 in the previous video. Today we'll discuss about the New Zealand's team. Okay, so they have a very good batting lineup. So starting with Devon Conway. Conway, is a very good player. He has played a couple of T20 matches, and I guess he don't have much test experience. So next, Henry Nichols is a very good batsman, left-handed batsman. Then we have New Zealand captain Kane Williamson, a very good player. He's a number one test player at the present now. And then we have Rachin Ravindra. We don't know about it. And then we have Ross Taylor. Ross Taylor, he has been with the team from past 10 years, 10 to 12 years. So then Will Young, all are very new players in the New Zealand team. Then we have Colin de Grandhomme. He's a very good player. He's a very good all-rounder. And then we have Daryl Mitchell. So I don't know about him. And then we have Mitchell Santner, very good left arm off spinner, and very good batsman too. Then we have BJ Walting. These are the wicket keepers now. BJ Walting, Tom Blundell, Tom Latham. Tom Latham, we have seen him playing very good cricket. And then Doug Bracewell is a right arm fast medium bowler. Then we have Kyle Jamieson. You have seen in the recent IPL matches, who played with RCB. Has a very good bowling skills. And I heard that in his debut match with India itself, so he has taken some 5 wickets in a total innings, in a total match. So let's see what happens. Then we have Neil Wagner. Is a very good left arm medium fast bowler. Has a very good pace. Then we have Tim Southey. Very good bowler, very outstanding bowler. Then we have Trent Bolt. main threat for Indians. You know, is a very good, left arm pacer that we have now in the present cricket. So this is the New Zealand team for the ICC Test Championship. Then I'll show you an image also about the starting of the test matches that have played from 1955 to the present 2020. We have the full list, so I'll show you the image now. So now, as we talk about the previous 3 years from 2019 to 2021, so if we see that they have played all the three formats, if we compare, then they have played 18 matches, out of which 10 matches have been won by India and 8 matches have been won by New Zealand. In those 8 matches, there are 4 tests included. In that, 4 tests are New Zealand have won it. So if we compare in the past 3 years, New Zealand is becoming more stronger and stronger, and now on the papers, India is being a strong team as we compare in the last 2 series, that is England and Australia. If you see on the papers, India is a very strong team, but we can't forget New Zealand even, because they have into the finals. They have a very good talented team, so we can't underestimate New Zealand. And as it is the first WTC final, we are waiting for a very good and a very interesting match. So very competitive match. Let's see what happens. So this is it in this video. So about the India versus New Zealand from past 10 years, the test matches and the ODI T20, all of the stuffs. So till then, see you. We'll come up with new interesting videos. So please subscribe, like, share, and see you guys in the next videos. Thank you.